Finding the pure ginseng capsules in India is itself a difficult task as the market is overflooded with thousands of options. Also, you can't try and test each product on yourself as there might be some products that can lead to side effects. So, always read customers' reviews and investigate the company profile before purchasing any supplement. We are proud to tell you that AgriPure is a 100% genuine health supplement company and we have a team of experts and doctors that makes the supplement. Also, AgriPure is one of the popular ginseng brands in India. AgriPure's ginseng capsules are made up of 100% pure ginseng roots extracts that are the best ginseng capsules in India. It is an effective capsule and has lots of health benefits. Also, these are safe as they work naturally inside our body and never show any side effects. AgriPure's Panax Ginseng, each capsule is of 300 mg that also contains 6 mg of ginsenosides. Ginseng has lots of health benefits. Come let me give you a short overview of Panax Ginseng and its benefits. Overview of Panax Ginseng. Panax ginseng is an amazing ancient powerful herb that is mainly found in China, Korea, and Siberia. It is a very nutritious plant. Mostly the roots of this plant is used in the making of traditional medicines because of its magnificent medical properties. Its roots are fleshy and also it is a short plant that grows very slowly. Depending on its type, it takes around 4 to 6 years to get properly harvested. For information, Panax ginseng has a compound named ginsenosides. It has stunning health benefits. AgriPure's Panax ginseng capsule contains 6 mg of ginsenosides in each capsule. There are tons and tons of health benefits of ginseng roots. That's why we say ginseng roots as a complete health package. Out of them, boosting the immune system, increasing energy, stamina, strength are very famous health benefits of Panax ginseng. 1. It controls the habit of overeating and controls hunger. 2. Helps the body in losing weight. 3. Delays the process of aging and delays aging disabilities. 4. Makes skin healthier and fights skin-related disorders. 5. Have antioxidant properties. 6. Panax ginseng capsules in India is using as improving sexual problems like ED and PE, erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation. 7. Good for healthy hair growth. 8. Boosts sex drive and libido in the female. 9. Beneficial for women in getting relief from menstrual cramps. 10. Enhance the working performance of the mind. 11. Boosts memory and improves mental health. 12. Never let you in a state of stress and tension. 13. Best herb to boost body energy level. 14. Improves heart health. 15. Strengthen the immune system. 16. Helps the body in fighting environmental free radicals like viruses and bacteria. 17. Helps in increasing endurance, stamina and strength. 18. Helps in reducing inflammation. 19. Helpful in flu, influenza. 20. Helps in maintaining healthy blood sugar level. 21. Have anti-cancer properties. Dosage of AgriPure's pure ginseng capsules. For achieving the best results, we advise to take 1 capsule twice a day. Means 1 capsule in the morning after having breakfast and 1 capsule at night after having dinner. You can have these capsules with lukewarm water or milk. Note: consume these capsules as prescribed without any gap. Best is to make these capsules as an essential part of your daily food. In this way you will never forget to take it. Also, AgriPures make the best ginseng capsules in India. Precautions and other useful information. AgriPure's ginseng capsule, each tablet is of 300 mg with 6 mg of ginsenosides. People of any age can consume this supplement. The best part about these capsules is no need to make any changes in your current lifestyle. Do whatever that makes you happy and no precaution or any strict diet plan required. Just you have to take these tablets with a positive mindset. Trust me, this supplement will never disappoint you and it will be your best health investment. Final words. Agripure is the popular ginseng brand in India that makes the highest quality of pure ginseng capsules in India. Also, we maintain the elite quality standards and we never compromise with our quality standards. For ensuring the premium quality standards of our product, we make sure our products are clinically tested. Also, we are FSSAI certified, ISO 9001 certified, and GMP certified. At last, customer satisfaction is our ultimate goal and we are the trust of thousands of happy customers. Buy now. For more information, you can call us on our customer care number +91 7906 127 882. And, to get an additional 10% discount on the 3-month pack, use the code 10DISC. Thank you. If you like the video, like it. If the video is not good, dislike it. If you still have any question, then comment below. I will surely reply to it. And, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe, as you get all health related information here for free.